So I'm here with Karthik and Sara. Hi guys, welcome to the
Hello.
Quint.
Hello, thank
Hello,
you.
thank you so much.
Do you remember the first time you watched Love Aajkal? Both of you.
Yeah, I was studying and I watched it in the theaters with my friends and I really enjoyed it. It still remains one of the most iconic love stories and a film which had great music, great performances and great direction. So yeah, I remember watching Love Aajkal.
What about you?
So do I.
Tell me about it.
I
And
think-
how did you watch it? Who did you watch it?
I watched it with my father actually,
Oh, okay.
and I also thoroughly enjoyed the film. I think that it was very ahead of its times, and the way Imtiaz I think writes his characters, he it so beautifully describes the grayness in people as opposed to just leaving it black and white, and it's these nuances that I so enjoyed watching as a viewer, and I'm now so privileged to have enjoyed as an actor.
So now it has been 11 years that we have seen Love Aajkal.
Yes.
Even in that modern love that they showed in Love Aajkal, how has things changed from then and now?
I
When
think
it comes to love.
I think that love as an emotion and the basic ethos of love has kind of remained the same, or at least one hopes that it does remain the same because there's something sanctimonious about it. But as far as the expression of love is concerned, I think that's something that changes with time. And I think that that's something very people specific also. I think that what our film somewhere down the line is showcasing is that it's not just gender specific anymore. I think that the roles in relationships have kind of changed and they don't revolve around gender as a deciding factor anymore.
Karthik, how difficult was it to play a modern guy and then go back in the 10 years back or a generation back? Yeah? And
30
what
years
was 30 years back? So
Yeah.
which one was more difficult to play?
Both of them.
Really?
Honestly speaking, yeah, I don't. They're two different characters. They don't like. I was playing Veer, which is present times, and Raghu, who's from Kal in the 90s. I think Raghu and Veer are really two different entities or characters. There is a part of me in both of them, but Imtiaz sir, he really made it easy. He's all the prep and all the classes, body language, workshops, readings, all those sessions have really been. It's been an acting institute for me. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. You have been dealing with trolls like a pro, but
Like a pro.
like a pro.
Yeah, that's not something you want to be a pro at ever. Please take it back.
But how was it to deal with the memes?
I think that you have to kind of take it in a little bit of humor somewhere down the line. I think that everything should be taken in moderation. There's always positive criticism to take and inculcate in yourself. I'm very, very new at the job, like 3 films old. So any opinions
But
that
did it
people...
bother you?
Of course it did. Of course it did. I can't pretend that it didn't. But like I said, I think that there's a positive learning to take out of it. And some people, and there's some trolls especially, that have nothing positive to give you. And you have to be able to pinpoint them and not give them the satisfaction of bringing you down. And then you look at things holistically also, which is also very helpful. You can get trolled for one scene at 1 minute 43 seconds of the trailer. And you can keep going on and on about that. Or you can, move forward, see the reactions to the other shots of the trailer, see the reactions that you've received for 3 songs, Touchwood, all of which have been positive. And you can thank your lucky stars that you wake up every morning with the opportunity to do what you love to do. So it really is about the way that you look at things always.
About love stories. Now, this is a love story. I just want to ask, do you remember any love story from your families, like your grandparents that you have heard, and it has touched your heart?
All I can remember is my mom and dad's love story. So it was an arranged marriage, and they never met each other before. And my dad is from Gwalior, and my mom and dad, they're both from doctors' families. So I think it's just that they met through families, and they fell in love later on. Actually during the ceremonies, they fell in love. I would always idealize that kind of love, that I want that in my life also, that they really they talk to each other, they spend so much time with each other, they eat together, and the way they eat together is also, it shows so much love. So yeah.
Okay, what about you?
Suddenly put me in a difficult situation. Suddenly I'm like, I don't know what food stories I should be telling now. Okay, thanks, Karthik. But I think it sounds very cheesy, but I think it's my mom's love story with me. Because I think that, we're so programmed to kind of look at love just through the lens of romance. But I think that love eventually is about selfless sacrifice. And I think that she's done that for me. And I think she continues to do that for me. And I think that that's a good love story.
That's so cute. So this Valentine's Day, love Aajkal. Congratulations, and we are looking forward.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.